A star just vanished without explanation. It began with silence. No explosion, no warning, no farewell light. One night, astronomers aimed their telescopes at a familiar region of the sky, and a star was gone. Not dimmed, not fading, gone. A star that had burned for millions of years, vanished in what seemed like a cosmic blink. At first, scientists assumed it was a mistake, a glitch in the data, a misaligned instrument. But when observatories across the world checked, the empty darkness remained. Where there should have been light, there was nothing. Imagine looking at the sky your entire life, knowing every bright point like a landmark, and then one simply disappears. This wasn't a shooting star. It wasn't a normal supernova. There was no explosion, no debris, no expanding cloud of glowing gas, just absence, as if something had switched reality off. The discovery spread through the scientific community like wildfire. Had the star collapsed into a black hole? Had it been swallowed by something unseen? Or had physics, as we know it, just broken? Because according to every model humanity had built, stars do not simply vanish. And yet, this one did. What terrified scientists wasn't just the mystery. It was what the disappearance didn't show. No light curve, no radiation burst, no gravitational fireworks. Just a star erased from the universe. And if one could vanish, could others follow? Could our own sun one day blink out without warning, leaving Earth frozen in seconds, civilization dead in days, life erased in months? This wasn't just an astronomical puzzle. It was a warning. Something out there was happening. Something violent, silent, invisible. And humanity might be standing inside a universe far more unstable than we ever imagined. At first, astronomers searched for the obvious answer: a supernova. Normally, when a massive star dies, it goes out in glory, exploding brighter than entire galaxies. But there was no flash, no expanding cloud, no cosmic aftermath, which led to a terrifying possibility: a failed supernova. A star so massive that when its core collapses, gravity wins instantly. No explosion, no light. The star simply folds into itself and becomes a black hole. Imagine a skyscraper collapsing straight downward into a single point. That's what might have happened on a stellar scale. The star's light shut off in seconds, its matter crushed into infinite density, space itself tearing inward. But here's the problem. Even failed supernovae should leave traces: a burst of neutrinos, a ripple in gravity, some form of detectable scream. This star left nothing. So scientists explored darker theories. What if the star didn't collapse? What if it was consumed? There are rogue black holes drifting invisibly through galaxies. If one passed directly through a star, it could shred and swallow it in silence. Like a cosmic assassin, no explosion, just disappearance. Others proposed something even stranger. What if the star slipped into another dimension? Some models of physics suggest space has hidden layers, extra dimensions curled beyond our perception. Under extreme conditions, matter could fall through the fabric of reality itself. Not destroyed, just gone from our universe. And then there was the most unsettling idea. What if we were witnessing a new kind of cosmic death? Something humanity has never seen before. A process that rewrites how stars live and die. Meaning everything we thought we knew about the universe is incomplete, and maybe dangerously wrong. Now imagine this happening closer, much closer. If our sun vanished instantly, Earth would keep moving in darkness. For 8 minutes, everything would feel normal. Then the sunlight would shut off forever. Temperatures would drop within hours. Within days, the oceans would begin freezing. Plants would die first. Then animals, then humanity. In less than a year, Earth would become a frozen tomb. No warning, no escape, just extinction. But the nightmare doesn't stop there. If stars can vanish silently across the galaxy, it means black holes could be far more common than we believed. Invisible predators roaming space, whole solar systems erased without explosions. Civilizations, if they exist, wiped out without ever knowing what hit them. And if reality itself can tear open, stars falling into other dimensions, then the universe isn't stable. It's leaking, slowly, quietly, like a cracked dam holding back cosmic forces we don't understand. Some physicists now believe space could undergo sudden collapses, Regions of the universe turning off like lights in a hallway, one by one. Galaxies dimming, stars blinking out, until darkness spreads. Not with fire, with silence. The scariest part? We might not see it coming. No alarms, no flashes, just disappearance. After years of observation, scientists reached a chilling conclusion. The star didn't malfunction. The instruments didn't lie. Something real happened, and we still don't fully understand it. The leading theory points to a failed supernova, a star collapsing straight into a black hole. But the lack of evidence suggests something even more extreme may be possible. A new form of stellar death, or physics behaving in ways we haven't discovered yet. What this disappearance taught humanity is simple. The universe is not gentle. It doesn't always announce destruction with explosions. Sometimes it erases, quietly, cleanly, without mercy. And the laws of nature we trust may only describe a small portion of reality. Out there, beyond our equations, are forces capable of deleting stars like lines of code. One moment burning, the next, nothing. The vanished star is a message, not of doom, but of humility. A reminder that the cosmos is deeper, darker, and far more mysterious than our brightest theories suggest. And if a star can disappear without explanation, what else in the universe can? What else already has? And someday, could it be us? Because in a universe where even stars can vanish, nothing is truly permanent. Not light, not worlds, not civilization. Only the mystery remains.